might rip my teeth out. Today we're trying a caramel apple with peanuts. This is easy to open. Ooh, that's heavy. Let's see. Okay, Moyers. Is it Moyers? I see you. Since 1799. So I like this caramel apple. The caramel's nice, it's soft. Not really getting a lot of caramel stuck in my teeth. The apple is nice, it's juicy. And the nuts add a nice texture. Surprisingly, it's not that sweet at all. Get you one of these. Caramel apple with nuts. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Kind of healthy, kind of junk food.